Good evening, all students. Genius English Competitive Exam Preparation. I remind you once again. Thanks for joining me. I remind you in the last class kinds of adverbs. So today's class remaining kinds of adverbs. So you all students look at the board. Genius English Competitive Exam Preparation on my YouTube channel. Topic kinds of adverbs. Remaining kinds of adverbs. Sixth. What is interrogative adverbs? Definition: when, where, how, why, how long, how much, how often, how many are called interrogative adverbs when they are used in asking questions. Interrogative adverbs, Hindi definition: when, where, how, why, how long, how much, how often, how many इत्यादि का प्रयोग जब प्रश्न करने में किया जाता है तब इन्हें इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट, वेयर इज मुकुल. सेकेंड, व्हेन विल यू गो. थर्ड, हाउ डिड ही फाइट. फोर्थ, हाउ ऑफ्टन डू यू ड्रिंक. सेवंथ, व्हाट इज negation and affirmation. Definition: negation adverbs, their opposite which express negative statements, logic or judgment. With adverbs of affirmation also, affirmative adverbs express that something is true or some other expression equivalent to the truth. Obviously दिस क्लासिफिकेशन कम्स. इसका हिंदी डिफिनेशन होगा: किसी प्रश्न के स्वीकारात्मक जवाब के लिए यस, श्योरली, सर्टेनली, जवाब के लिए नो, नोट, नेवर इत्यादि का प्रयोग करते हैं. इन्हें एडवर्ब्स ऑफ निगेशन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट, आई डू नॉट नो हिम. सेकेंड, श्योरली यू आर ड्रॉन्ग. So next, 8. What is adverbs of reason? Definition: adverbs of reason tell the reason of the action. इसका हिंदी डिफिनेशन है: एडवर्ब्स ऑफ रीजन किसी कार्य के कारण को बताता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयरफॉर, हेंस, दस, सो, etc. सेंटेंस एग्जाम्पल्स: फर्स्ट, he therefore left school. Second, thus she became angry. And ninth, what is relative adverbs? Definition: relative adverbs modify the verbs following them and at the same time join two sentences together. हिंदी डिफिनेशन: रिलेटिव एडवर्ब्स अपने बाद आने वाले वर्ब्स को मॉडिफाई करते हैं और साथ ही दो वाक्यों को एक साथ जोड़ते हैं. For example, where, how, when, why, how long, how much, how many, etc. Sentence example: first, this is the house where he lived. Second, let me know when you will come. And last, 10th, what is sentence adverbs? Definition: sentence adverbs modify the whole sentence or clause and normally express the speaker's opinion as. For example, surely, certainly, actually, possibly, obviously, etc. For example, surely, sentence example: she could do it surely. Second, he is obviously intelligent. So today's that enough class. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks.